Do you feel constantly tired, stressed, or like your brain just isn't firing on all cylinders? It could be because your body struggles to process folate, an essential vitamin for energy, mood, and focus. For millions of people, a common genetic issue makes it difficult to convert folic acid into the active form your body needs. The result? Low energy, mood imbalances, and even potential cardiovascular risks. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Methyl Folate is your solution. Unlike standard folic acid, methyl folate is already in its active form, meaning your body can absorb and use it immediately. This supports energy production, brain health, and overall well-being. Take control of your energy and health today with methyl folate. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals to learn more and make this essential upgrade to your wellness routine. Start thriving because you deserve to feel your best.